Hello everyone, I am Sahana, a student of BCom in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I am here today to talk about business model canvas of FirstCry. The seeds of FirstCry were shown in 2010 when the options for buying baby care and kids products online were extremely limited in India. FirstCry is an Indian e-commerce company headquartered in Pune. Taking the online shopping one step further, Subham Mageshwari and Amitava Saha, who was the founder of FirstCry, started for providing baby care products to the masses. Here are some business model canvas of FirstCry. Key partners: shipping companies, vendors, payment gateway company, financiers, media partners. Key activities: development, maintenance of platform, marketing and promotion, customer service. Key resources: partnerships, human resource, physical asset and stores, suppliers, warehouse channels, online website, mobile based application, physical stores, social media. Cost structure: employee cost, marketing cost, operational cost, expansion, development cost. Revenue streams: sellers commission, sales from physical stores, first cry premium, ads, blogs, and strategic partnerships. Value proposition: widest choices in top rated international brands, secure transactions, best price and timely delivery, premium store customers. Customer relationship: buyer relationship with special offers, 24 by 7 customer service, safe payment gateways, contest for existing customers. FirstCry initially was following an inventory based model wherein the venture was just shipping products across the country from its warehouses in Pune, Delhi, Bangalore, and Kolkata. After a few years, FirstCry started adding retailers to its platform and presented an opportunity for local retailers to sell their products on its website. The company also has two private labels called Baby Hug, which is into apparel for babies and kids, and Cute Walk, a footwear brand. FirstCry works on an integrated hybrid business model which includes online platforms and offline stores. Apart from its massive online presence, the company also has over 400 stores, including 350 franchisee stores across India. FirstCry runs a unique program through which it reaches over 70,000 parents each month by giving out a FirstCry box. This program gives free gift boxes to new parents across 6,000 hospitals in the country as a token of congratulations on the birth of their child. The box contains basic necessities like diapers, baby lotions, baby oil, etc. from leading brands such as Mami Poco and Libro. FirstCry has reached out to millions of parents across India through this initiative to date. FirstCry has 2 lakhs plus unique products and hosts 6,000 plus brands. The growth rate of the company has been exponential. It has around 400 plus offline stores across India. FirstCry Parenting is India's largest community of parents. It sees around 13 million unique users every month, and the overall engagement on the platform stands at 92 million users per month. The FirstCry app has more than 10 million downloads on Google Play Store and App Store. FirstCry claims to be Asia's largest online store for baby and kids products. FirstCry has reported a 65.8% jump in its FY20 revenue from $73.59 million during FY 2019 to $122.07 million in FY 2020.